If you're looking for some great food with the freshest ingredients, try the Triple J Grill in our new location on 4th Street across from Safeway. At the Triple J, you get gourmet food to go or delivered. Everything is homemade and prepared fresh daily. Mexican, Italian, Asian, and American. We have the taste you're looking for. And at Born Again Classics Detail Shop, protect your investment. Boats, cars, trucks, even RVs. We can do it all. The Triple J Grill and Born Again Classics Detail Shop. A great combination on 4th Street across from Safeway.